welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like and comment and share and subscribe to my channel. And I would just like to give you guys an update on what will be on my channel and what I'll be doing in a few weeks and couple months. So from now on, I will be doing on how-to videos, unboxing videos, trying new things, reviewing products, really promoting what the beauty industry is, and kind of like adventuring on more about it. I am only recently starting this channel, but I wanted to make sure that it was something I was really interested in and something I found like a passion for. So I really do like doing makeup as a hobby, not as a profession, but I love doing hair. Anything with hair I love. So I will be doing like hair tutorials, makeup tips and tricks based off what I know. I'm not a professional, but anything helps, honestly. So you'll be seeing makeup videos, makeup reviews, makeup tries, makeup fails, hairstyle fails, and many, many more. So if you want me to try some products or any kind of tools or anything new, I would love to purchase it and try it just for you guys. So don't be scared to comment. It don't matter if you comment negative, I will take it positive. Okay? And that's period. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you guys like this little mini intro on what my YouTube channel will have. And I hope you enjoy and have a great day.